not go shit on your husband. Your husband will shit on you, you not go, no problem. But never shit on your husband. Anything bad, not do anything evil her in the family. If anybody disturb her, anybody disturb her or do anything evil to her, it must return to that person. Whoever that do any evil at all against this our wife, whether him or me, the father of the husband or the mother or the family where they here go the marriage, all the evil will return divorce. If now any person from the maternal side or paternal side, even your people can't do you, they can return. If now you, they can return. We're not presuming to you, but if anything like that happen, just forgive them. But you, on no account, must you shit on your husband. On no account, must you do any evil. Today, we are bringing you into the family. This is what God traditional rituals. So as you do this one today, as you are stepping into this house, today, we are renewing you. All the old things you have done, behold, old things have passed away. But from today onward, if you do anything evil, it will backfire. But if you don't do any evil, you do all the good things, then one person in this family, or your maternal or paternal side, or any person at all, friends and every other person, that he wants to do anything evil against you, it must only backfire to that person. So shall it be. The same way you pray for your life, your right leg, so shall it be in this world. Yeah, thank you. This is your plate. At any time, when the doctor give you finish. At any time when you want, anybody be happy. When you have to say, if not find it, what's going on? Carry on. Because say all the prayers make it work like that. All the prayers make it work like that.
All the prayers make it work like that.
No good.
All the prayers make it work like that.